Great. Yeah. So next, coming to our fellow seafarers. So most of our seafarers are joining ship today. Many of them,
Okay.
the charter flights have started. The good news, that is the good news, and the joining, sign off, everything is started. So when a seafarer is joining a ship, so what are the PP he must be carrying so that his family can relax and do a checklist? Yes, I have given all this to my husband or a sister, whoever is joining the ship. So what are the PPEs that we must be taking care, and which quality, or because most of the what happens now before joining ships, many of the ports are providing shields, but there are many transit flights, small airports where we're not getting enough PP. So what do we carry when we join ship?
I think if you are aware that you're not getting a shield, then better. It's very easy to make it in the home. I think there are a lot of videos how to make a shield. You have to just take your old files, transparent sheets, cut it off, and you can just make a shield. So this shield is actually first layer of protection. It blocks all the moisture that comes in your way of direct contact to your nose and mouth. So I'm extremely sorry to say that I traveled in the flight recently. I am having the shield, lifting it off like this regularly, and sometimes some people remove the shield and hang it on the front seat. Actually, that's very wrong habit. And whoever the seafarers have to take the shield, make it in the house if they don't get it. The other thing that have to take is they should have a headgear which you can cover your hair. That's because one of the very important place where the virus can come and settle. And the other one that I can tell you is mask. If you have an N95 mask, you're very safe. You can take, and don't take one N95 mask, take a few N95 masks if possible. Okay, and if you don't have an N95 mask, don't worry, buy a surgical mask, which is just 10 rupees. I think that is the cost now. So buy the surgical mask, you can take at least 20-30 pieces, one day one, so you can use it for 1 month actually.
So
if you have a
when I'm wearing an N95 mask, should I also wear a shield?
Yes.
Okay.
It is just an additional layer of protection because I already told you the N95 filters 95%.
Okay.
5% chance is always there.
Agreed. Yeah. Yeah. So you told that we should carry an N95 mask, carry a lot of N95 masks, carry a shield. If most of the transit airports, because I don't think we are able to buy the shields. So if you're not able to do it, definitely our seafarers, we fabricate anything on board. So definitely they can fabricate this also. Carry that, and then yeah, PP also we have to carry, right? PP. What kind of
Yes.
PP do we collect? What do we buy or something? What do you suggest?
I think the PPEs available in market there is quite fine because PP is needed only when you meet anyone other than your group of seafarers. Because obviously the seafarers are, I think there's a regular testing that goes on.
Yes.
There is a SOP.
Yes.
So I know that the seafarers follow all the protocols properly. So you have a proper maintenance of social distancing or disposal of waste or everything. You have perfect. So I think you will follow that. So only when you meet others from outside, the third person, so obviously you have to be very, very safe. That's the most important thing. And that's the place you need PPE.
Great.
So other than this, there are two things, Girish, I want to mention. That is, one is hand sanitizer. The other one is actually your hand sanitizer and your gloves. You have to wear gloves.
Okay.
That's very important. And wearing gloves, that's a mistake. Wearing gloves, people hold their phone, mobile phone.
Yes.
So, and then what happens is you remove the gloves and then you start using the mobile phone. That's a problematic one because the virus is obviously there. So if the virus is there, it is going to be on the surface of the phone.
Okay.
So when you use gloves, make sure that you don't use your phone.
Got it. So fellow seafarers, I
suggestion.
hope this is good information for most of my friends who are joining, all my seafarers who are joining. So be careful, carry all these PP. And in case you have any questions, do write to us on editor@Lighthouse Chronicle, so we can contact Dr. Justin and we can give you a better view on that. But finally, we have no compromise. You have to wear the PP. The family members ensure that you get all this.